How often do you use your brain? At this question, most people chuckle or laugh, but the fact is we all use our brains all the time. Have you ever thought of your brain's health proactively? Almost never. Part of the reason is because we don't have reliable tools, which will help us manage our brain's health. So, we at InMed have come up with a solution, where we offer cloud-based clinical decision support tool for neurological disorders. NeuroShield is an artificial intelligence and machine learning-based tool, helps neuroradiologists, neurophysicians and psychiatrists understand the brain better and offer evidence-based diagnostics. The current challenges, which are operational and clinical problems. All the existing solutions addressing these problems are expensive, time-consuming, and don't provide contextual results based on age, ethnicity, and gender. NeuroShield, our solution, which combines the latest tools in medical and technological advancements. The common practice for doctors is to perform a neuropsychological assessment and ask for an MRI to help in diagnosing brain degenerative diseases like epilepsy and dementia. But visual MRI reading can many times provide non-conclusive information, resulting in missed diagnosis. Our software, NeuroShield, makes it possible to look clearly at the region of interest, like hippocampus, compute brain volumes, and supported by cutting-edge research and imaging analytics, which can help physicians reach more reliable and conclusive diagnosis, as opposed to the conventional method. NeuroShield is the platform that aggregates insights from relevant modalities to provide holistic health and wellness insights. These are some snapshots of the platform, provided with the test reports and volumetric analysis. Our competitive advantage metrics are as follows. Our vision is to bring affordable, accessible, reliable, and evidence-based health prognostic tools in India and other emerging markets. Reach out to us and get to know more.